Yeah, so you in there too.
Yeah.
That went before we even did anything.
I know.
Let's go on the other side. Deep breath. And out. That was awesome.
That one moved a lot.
That did move a lot. Deep breath in for me. And out. Jeez. That was what we needed there.
Yep.
I feel okay. The shoulder there. There we go. Come right. Good. Good. That's what we want. The motion's there, which is awesome. Awesome. Yeah, that is locked up. Head back. There it was. This is the side we want.
Mm-hmm.
Back a little more. Back. Yeah, that was it. There we go.
Yeah.
How's that feel?
Feels good.
A little looser?
Yeah, definitely.
Good.